Hello everyone, it's Shakina Davis here. I am in Memphis right now along one of the busiest state route areas heading straight into the interstate. As you can see, vehicles making their way over there. Now, I don't know if you can see as closely, but potholes in the road is one of the main concerns and one of the reasons TDOT is working on fixing potholes throughout the interstate areas and state routes. Now, again, as you can see behind me, some potholes are within the streets. You can see it mostly as you enter on to the roadway there, entering the interstate. But again, just stressing the importance of driving slowly and being safe out on the roads as it continues to clear out. Some of that ice and snow that was on the ground is starting to clear out, as you can see. But again, potholes are beginning to form, and so TDOT is just urging everyone to just be safe out there. Report potholes if you see them so that it can be taken care of. We will continue to follow this and bring you updates on potholes and what these conditions are looking like.